Exactly.
Ow.
No pictures of me, Wiz.
You just nigga laid on the ground over there.
Running around naked.
I'll be a bear.
Who's it?
No! Bear's probably gonna be scared as fuck.
Bear's like, is it in? You put it in yet?
No, I'd be like,
Oh. Uh-oh.
They're scared.
uh-oh.
Oh god, I thought you were gonna burn them.
Let me tell you all a little
Might
secret.
not be like over here.
When I throw up, you'll see me disappear first, alright? And then I'll come back like, yeah, I did it. I knew. No, one time I was with this dude, right?